In today's video, I'll quickly show you on how you can change part color in Onshape. Now I have a simple shape right here that I have made to simply change the color of your shape. You can just click on the shape that you want to change the color of. In my case, it's going to be this one. Now we have multiple options to edit our colors right here, and the first one is going to be editing the appearance for the parts. Now I'm just going to click on part 1, and basically with this one you can edit the whole color of the shape. You can change palettes. You can also use mixer if you want to, and below that you can enter hexadecimals for colors with the red, green, and blue. Now if you want to change specific colors of our shape right here, you can just click on a specific part. Now in my case, I'm going to be editing the top part right here. Right click on it, click on the add appearance to face, and basically from here you can just once again select your color. I'm going to use the mixer with this one. Click on the check button, and from there basically you are good to go. If this video has been helpful, leave a like, subscribe, and follow Guide to Everything for more videos like this. Thanks for watching.